I'm not sure if you can see, but on top of that TV antenna on that house is a white bird. That is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. And there are a number of sulfur-crested cockatoos here in this area of Hong Kong. They are war refugees, so says the urban legend. When the Japanese were invading Hong Kong, the British governor of Hong Kong decided that he wasn't going to let his fine collection of birds fall prey to the Japanese troops. So he opened the cages and let all the birds fly up into these woods, these jungles. The sulfur-crested cockatoos just thrived and expanded, and now the birds are kind of everywhere. You see these cockatoos flying around. They just flew off. You see them flying all over the place. It's kind of an urban legend, but it is kind of pretty to see those birds. Due to nutrition labeling laws, you can't have Diet Coke over here. Diet just doesn't work in the law, so you have Coke Plus. This is a Diet Coke. They don't really sell much Pepsi in Hong Kong. You can find it occasionally, but it's really hard. So we have normal stuff like Pringles, but then we have weirder stuff. And then we get Lay's weird flavors. Tomato, pork, Kobe beef, corn chips, prawn crackers. Those are huge. Yeah, he's coming to go swimming.
Okay. We have swimming gear?
Yeah, didn't you guys pack swimming gear?
No.
I think so. You have shorts you can use. That's a pink Tesla. You don't see many pink Teslas. Must be rad. One change in Hong Kong is that all police vehicles now carry full-time riot shields on the outside. You can see the cages have been deployed along all the windows. All the police vehicles are now like that. You guys could get the cold udon today.
No, because like we only have one more, and I'd just rather go with the one on stage.
You are depressed.
This is our pre-dinner snack. We're going to Din Tai Fung for dinner, famous Taiwanese dumpling place. But before that, we decided to get udon. They advertise tax-free, but there's actually no sales tax here anywhere, so not a big deal. Uh-oh, my wife would love this. Mom wants some more dishes. I don't know what kind to buy.
It's called none.
None? Yeah, that's probably the best option. So as you can see there, bamboo is still used in construction projects today. When they build super tall ones, sometimes they use more steel, but there's a lot of bamboo on the medium and even high-rise buildings. Let's go through here, guys. So this building up here is the former headquarters of the Hong Kong Marine Police, the water police, basically, the cops who patrolled out in the harbor. It's been renovated into a high-end shopping mall with stores like Tiffany's, Petit Philippe, and a lot of other stores. It's now called 1881 Heritage. I believe that's the year that this building was actually built in colonial days of Hong Kong. That's the old Kowloon train station clock tower. That's all that's left of the old train station. The train station having been torn down and replaced with this giant building, which is a performing arts center. There's a very famous photo of Japanese troops invading Hong Kong and taking control of that clock tower. But there's still a few bullet holes in the side of the building from that attack. Okay, fine. These look fluffy. What's this?
This is a syrup. So you
Oh, this is syrup?
inject syrup.
Injected the syrup?
Yeah.
Or you just squeeze it?
So you kind of squeeze like this,
Oh, you just pull it out and then just
and then you have it like this.
drip it on.
Yeah. All over.
Parker, look at the syrup I got. What? You want another pancake?
You want another pancake?
All right. Moment of truth.
This is little. Okay. If I go home and then I found out I got like 3 pounds of.
You want me to take a video?
That's all right. Oh, that's pretty good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah, that's really good.
I'm gonna have to do
So soft.
It's ridiculous. These are Japanese souffle pancakes. I've tried to make these myself, and it's a disaster. But these are done right, and they're really, really fluffy. They're like made with like a meringue. You want another one? Same type? Same type? Do you want just mine?
Do you want mine?
You can have mine.
One of them? I'm not fat.
Sure.
すごくない？
What's in this one?
Pancake.
Chocolate sauce, and you didn't get the ice cream, did you?
No.
Just the banana and chocolate sauce. Is it good?
Yeah.
golf battle.
Touch it. It's very soft. There we go. It's a fluffy meringue bag. There we go.
I'm a pro.
You ordered? Oh, you gonna steal mine? Okay. Why is this car here? How do we get out to the waterfront?
Yeah.
I don't know. They have music down there, I think.
Yeah, the thing is actually carrying. I beat that thing.
Yeah. Government helicopter. So this is the clock tower of the old Kowloon train station, which has now been torn down to make way for a thing. Lots of kids. We're going to take a ferry across the harbor.
No,